welcome to another segment provided by Technical Option Traders Inc. I hope you guys are having a great day. So we're going to start talking about what's been going on in the markets. So S&P here, starting off with that, it's testing this resistance line right here. This is held quite well, 1, 2, 3 touches here, which looks like it could correct from here and come down or keep pushing higher. We'll have to wait and see, and this wave looks very nice here. So if we use a Fibonacci retracement for this wave, it's already made like a nice move according to the wave here. So however, it could push a little bit higher to 448, which would be okay, but still it would be too high. I think it's overextended now. This move, we need to see a little bit of a correction, but we could see this mark right here, and 448 level be touched and completed here. So we'll see how S&P fares out. If it can get past this level with ease, then to be very honest, S&P can keep shooting up higher and higher, right? And as you guys can see here, S&P is stretched a little bit. If we just zoom out to the weekly is very vertical. Compare that to their daily again. The daily is okay, still vertical. Need a little bit of a correction here. We haven't really tested the 100-day moving average at all this year. So this is a line in black here. So it was tested in 2020 October, and it bounced from it. It was tested twice in 2020, but we have not tested it once this year. So we'll wait and see to see if that level does come. Let's look at the Qs here. Qs had a decent day here, mostly inside trading day. Not a lot happening. They did bounce nicely after 21-day EMA here, which is nice. We can see if they can get above 370. Easy move to 377, 375, right? We'll see how this goes on and what happens here. So Qs overall, not bad. They're shaping up. They're consolidating, which is nice, giving the RSI a rest as well. RSI is above 50, but it is trending a little bit downwards on the weaker side. So we'll keep an eye on this and see how this fares. But right now, consolidation, not much to do in the Qs, but to keep an eye on it. Dow Jones had a nice little move here over the past couple of days. Today was an inside day as well for Dow. Not a lot happening. Sellers did try to come in, but we got a nice doji candle, indecision candle today. Not a lot happening. We'll see if this continues to be like this and what the next coming days are. It'll be important to watch how tomorrow closes, so how the week closes. So right now, the week for the Dow looks very nice. It's on an uptrend. This correction came a little bit for the Dow back in June, which was nice, and since then it's been slowly trending upwards. So we'll keep an eye on this as well. IWM today was same thing as Dow, inside trading day. Not a lot happening here, as you guys can see. Not a lot of movements in IWM. However, it is showing like sort of an ascending triangle formation here that's happening. We'll see how this pans out in the long run. But so far, I mean, as you guys can see clearly here, it is range bound, right? So it's not really dropping, it's not really increasing. The overall, this is the bigger range for IWM. It needs to kind of get above this and start making the bigger move here. Until it stays in this range, not much to do. I would wait for this level to break the 225 level, then the next target becomes 230, but we'll see how this all pans out. So next thing is we have on our list is gold. Gold is okay. It's trying to get above the 164 level, but not a lot happening here. Gold's not able to get above that. So we'll have to keep an eye on gold and see kind of where it fares over the week. However, the weekly is still looking strong as long as this level holds here. It could bounce from here and get above this 169 level and keep ticking higher, but we'll have to wait and see here, right? So overall, I like gold the way it is as long as this level holds for me. The support zone at 155 and 157, this is the area that I'm most interested in, but we'll see how this pans out. Now, Bitcoin. This is what I've been talking about. I was talking about this level yesterday in my video where I said that Bitcoin, I want a rejection from here to bounce, to resettle, and then, get above, a bounce again to push for the next leg. Like so far, Bitcoin has started that trend of correction here. A pause in the wave here up. So this is nice to see. As long as this support zone holds and Bitcoin can bounce up, I'm still bullish of Bitcoin, and we can see how that plays out in the long term. But Bitcoin is playing out very nicely here, and we'll see how it reacts around 42,250. We'll see how this level acts, and if it bounces from here, that could be a good buying opportunity for some of the crypto stocks as well. So we'll see how this pans out in the coming days. The other one I want to talk about is XLF financials. Financials, we're okay, still holding this levels, not great, but not really weak either. So we'll see how the financials pan out with interest rates maybe possibly increasing. XLK, this is tech, tech sector. If we want to look at this, you got an ascending triangle happening as well in tech. So could tech be possibly making a comeback? It's very possible, but right now, we'll have to wait and see if 155 can clear for it to push higher, right? Overall, market is starting to show some legs behind it, but keep in mind, guys, this is August. August rallies tend to be look very strong in the beginning, but they're very, very weak. However, the way to show this is look at the relative volume on SPY. It's low, right? It's not high, right? So they're making new highs based on low relative volume, which kind of has me concerned, right? So Qs are consolidating in low relative volume, which I'm okay with, but when it's making new highs, I expect the highs to be made with volume, okay? So keep that in mind when you guys are trading. Like today, the big mover was Tesla. Tesla had a really nice move. It's at 723 right now. If it can get past this 730 level, I think Tesla is off to the races, and we're going to be hitting the 800 mark very soon. It did get upgraded today as well, so we'll see how this all pans out in the coming days. All right, so this was my market recap for today. I hope you guys have the